I embroidered this jacket as a gift from my mom with drawings that her grandkids did of things that remind them of her. Let me show you how I did it. First step, I got all the grandkids to draw something that reminded them of their grandma. It was so cute to see what they came up with. Then I got this sticky water-soluble paper, linked in the caption, and printed all their drawings on it, resizing as needed. I picked out the clothing item I was going to use. I actually took a jean jacket from her closet for this one. Really anything that you want to use that you think they will love and wear for years to come. Then I cut each drawing out, removed this sticker backing, and placed them on the jacket wherever I wanted them. I had one of the grandkids write what they call her, Gigi, and put that on the back and on the front. Other cute ideas are to put our favorite grandma or best grandma or grandpa, or you get the picture. Then I put on an embroidery hoop on my first area and began embroidering. The way you do it is you go in through the back and then back down a little bit ahead, tie it off, do just a regular double knot. Then you're going to bring the needle through ahead of where you exited and come back in the same spot to fill in the gaps. So you're going to come up, leaving a little gap, and then go backwards, filling in the gap, and repeat this pattern until you've gone on all the lines. I love this project because they're kids' drawings, so you don't have to be an expert embroiderer. It's not supposed to look perfect. The more childlike it looks, the better. So it really works out in your favor here. I continued like this until everything was filled in, and I alternated colors at some points. I chose to do different shades of gold and neutrals for this one because those are my mom's favorite, but you can make it bright and colorful, or you can stick to one color. And when you get to the end of a color or to the end of a drawing, you can end on the back side, tie it off in the same way you did at the beginning, and snip and trim, and that's it. To get the paper off, all you do is run it under some water and watch it dissolve. You can also throw it in the washing machine. I did it in running water here to show you how it dissolves. And throw it in the dryer, and that's it. I think this is the cutest thing ever. Your loved one will now have a special item with all of these memories. I think this just makes the cutest gift. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It would work with a sweater, with a linen button down, different colors, one color. There's so many ways to go about it, but just having the memories of the grandkids and their drawings at that age, I think it's really sweet. So let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos. See you next time.